You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this restaurant, or restaurant as we say in France. So in French it is said as La Toque Blanche, meaning the white toque, the toque being the hat that chefs, cooking chefs, wear. La Toque Blanche. For more cooking terms from French, make sure to stay tuned. La Toque Blanche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.